How to recover deleted LinkedIn account. So if you've deleted your LinkedIn account and want to bring it back, is exactly what you need to do. So firstly guys, open up your browser and access the website. On the sign in page, you need to enter your email and password that were linked to your deleted account. So just tap on sign in, and in here provide email or phone and password. And now into the important stuff. If your account was deleted within the last 2 weeks, which is 14 days, LinkedIn actually gives you the option to recover it. Once you log in, you'll see a prompt asking if you'd like to reactivate. So after you log in, you'll have that prompt, and just confirm and your profile will be restored along with your connections and messages. If it's been more than 14 days since deletion, recovery isn't possible. In that case, you'll need to create a new one from scratch, either using your old email address or a new one. And for users that don't remember their credentials, just click on Forgot Password. In here, provide your email or phone and follow the steps to reset your password. And if the account is still within the recovery window, you'll regain access. Also important note, if LinkedIn permanently closed your account due to policy violations, recovery won't be available. So that's it. You may easily recover your account within the 14-day window if you're inside it. Thanks for watching guys. If this helps you, drop a like to the video and subscribe.